So yes, TML vibes. You are welcome. I know why they welcome you again. And because of you, now you bring this our August, Ghanaian visitor come here. And of course, this interview was sweet. TML vibes. I mean, like you talk, you don't come here before. We don't they play some of your songs before now. You get Maria, if I'm not the mistake, what you do with Sheyi vibes, right?
Last minute.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Yes.
You don't mean it? Which one you do with Sheyi vibes?
That's where I'm from.
Okay. Yeah. See me now, I don't the match line. But no problem. Now, what I want to talk. At what point you can't see last meet, you can't say, Bob, this guy, make we do something together?
Now from when we don't record Maria.
Okay. Yeah. Maria na single, oh.
Yeah. No.
Maria did inside album, okay.
Inside
yeah.
Project. It did inside my. I think that's my second project. It did inside my second project, which is Simao.
Okay.
So me, I just do the song normal studio vibe now. I just do and then I send it to the team.
Okay.
And then later, maybe after a week, they just send them back to me. Okay. When they just send them back to me, I can't listen to them again. As I say, they don't put last minute on this song and it go well. And I play them for my guys and everybody like me too. I feel them well, so I feel like it don't go. So since that time, I don't know last minute that way from that song, and then I start to listen to more of his own song. So from there, I even done the like in vibe already. Yeah, so it is easier for us to work on another project. Yeah. So now with the information when they reach me now, I say this particular project where you get now. So is it an album or an EP? EP. Yeah. Good. And I say it's a joint project kind of between you and Last Meet, right? Yeah. So that means how many songs are inside the EP, for instance? 10. Yeah. So if inside these 10 songs, now 12 not do them together. Yeah. That's the whole 10 songs. Not be like say, maybe one of the songs now only in day or now only you day. The 10 songs, you drop verse, he drop verse. Yes, we did everything. Yes, because I had to travel down to Ghana. Are you serious? Yeah. Wow. I go Ghana, I go meet them. So for inside studio, we cook, I cook, he cook, you cook, everybody. On our fry joint self, boil everything. I can imagine. Everybody cook. So one time like that, so when you're ready, we say, okay, opinion be this, this one where you like, now this one where me I like, more put them together, pack them together, then we make it one. So this at the end of the day, when I can't put them together, what one I can't title this body of work? Sweet songs for you. Sweet songs for you. That's for everybody. You be Naija, you be Ghanaian, you be African, you be Europe, anywhere. Sweet song for everybody. For everybody. Make I just ask what do you call now? Last Meet. You don't hear Nigeria now for how long? Basically, I came last week. Yeah. Okay. And I've been here since that time I came here. Away from the music, I won't just find out some of the things. So I say you don't see in terms of our food, because I hear you talk food just now. Yeah. Guess what food you say you like? Yeah, I actually love there are 4 rice that I love here. Okay, which one? Ofada rice. Okay. Village rice. Now we get her. The other one, Asun rice. That's and the last one, coconut rice. Now we get her. Yes, no doubt. It's so nice. But why, as I hear just now, so you call Asun rice, coconut rice, fada rice, shoulder rice, because just now, so village rice. I know you jollof. You don't taste the jollof? Yes. I don't taste them, but I feel like leave it like more just leave it like that. Okay, now very quickly talking about the music, how you and TML meet actually. Yes. So actually, it was after Maria that we began to text each other, have conversations, real conversations, and I was like, I didn't really tell him, but I really wanted to do a project with him because his talent is out of this world. Yeah, so I feel like we could just lock in the studio and we will record 100 songs a day. So he's one of them. He's too creative. Yeah, I love his talent so much. So you now, when they based for Ghana, they signed on to any record label at the moment, or you just there? I'm actually signed under. We are not the same label. Oh wow, nice. And what's that record label name again? Just make one not like say. Yeah.
Music.
Is that what it is?
Dapper music.
Yeah. I just want. I don't know. I want those this show because my problem with this thing, I say if you there now, if you just say, you're not there again, or want to do one thing, so you are still there.
Yeah.
Everything is good. Everything, no skitty. I love it. Now let us come to the music now. How you could describe your kind of sound? Because for instance, now with the see things like for some of the songs when they did this body of work, we see Magic, right? We see Ololufe. Would they see Ghana Jollof? So with these three now, if we use these three songs, have an idea of how the full body of work be. Okay. How you could describe your kind of sound?
My type of sound, I would just say it is firstly it is melodious, then it is spiritual.
Spiritual, oh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you take this matter to another place. Okay. Yeah. Now, may I come back to last minute? See, right now, what I would like to note, African music, you don't enter inside, don't go global.
Yeah.
Such that nowadays, our African boys, they do well.
Yeah,
and
everybody do
the
well.
rest of the world don't recognize. And now, there's a particular name when they call this music, especially within Nigeria space, Afrobeats.
Yeah.
And now you be Ghanaian. I don't know whether for Ghana, because even for this same Nigeria, so get some of our artists will be like, say, they never still find them, find and say, maybe they call them that particular kind of Afrobeat. So I don't know whether for Ghana, now they get that kind of issue, or now they flow with the, now they with the flow. Say yes, Afrobeats too.
Yeah.
Or
So,
I get what they call on our own there.
no, so actually, we have a lot of sounds like genres.
Yes.
Yeah, but we know Afrobeat.
Okay.
Yeah, and Afrobeat is moving, and it's actually a movement, like an African movement.
True.
That's my definition of Afrobeat,
Okay.
like an African movement.
Okay.
Like it's an African thing.
Good.
Yeah. So to express our culture more.
Yes.
So there is such
So
a thing
in
like
other
an
words,
Afrobeat.
is it you on your own as an individual Ghanaian artist? Are you saying you accept the movement, or
Yeah, I do.
generally in Ghana,
Even in Ghana,
when they say Afrobeats,
yes,
they embrace that
Yeah.
matter.
yeah.
Oh, wow, I love
We embrace
that.
Afrobeat
I love
as
it.
well. Yeah.
I love it. Okay, more not talk plenty now. I like make the music talk, and I want to start out with Ghana Jollof. Which kind of wala be all this? You say you TMA batch with this song, you let them just title the full song Ghana Jollof. You know me they do Ghana Naija Jollof. Why?
Because there are other songs.
We not argue that one. And this one ain't our problem.
Okay,
Ghana Jollof.
Inside this particular song,
It's
I
sweet,
still
man.
mention Nigerian Jollof.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I
So
still
what?
dey talk
So
Nigerian.
this part, if we go by this title, I would say that old argument of Nigeria and Ghana Jollof, which one the sweet past now when I
No, him go choose Nigeria Jollof. No,
Me, I will choose
no two ways
Nigerian
about that.
Jollof.
And I will actually choose Ghanaian
Are
Jollof.
you
So
choosing Ghanaian Jollof because you be Ghanaian? Or
no,
because you
I'm not
choose-
choosing because I'm a Ghanaian, because I'm familiar with the
You
taste.
cannot people don't shop that Jollof.
No.
They say-
Because you will never like it because you are familiar with your taste, right? Yeah.
Me, I don't chop them.
Uh-huh.
I don't chop.
And he because he's familiar
Wait,
with
wait, wait, talk. We'll
Nigerian.
not go talk for a match. You don't chop and what you happen?
I don't chop.
Yes.
Jollof. But I feel like it still get bar.
You see, Anna?
It makes
You not be like when you chop our soon rice, we be like, say, love am.
You see, no, wait. So
That small thing like
if
this.
I'm mentioning rice and I don't mention Nigeria Jollof, that means actually, like, I feel like it's okay, like it's nice, but maybe not me.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll not talk again.
Maybe
We'll
not
just
for
hear
me,
this song.
yeah.
We'll know what to talk for this jam. Last meet, they enter us. They say our food get some kind of spice. Our food today spicy. Yeah, is that true?
I'm not tell that one.
Not yet. Not because they could do anything. Not yet.
No. Like,
Now your mind, you talk.
no. It's not like that. Not really like that. But I feel like there are some kind of sauce that we Ghanaians don't put too much in our food. Yeah, and I think Nigeria has a lot of that sauce in their food.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I want to be the extra spice when they make our food they come out now. And I want for you.
No, but like
Yeah,
scientifically,
this guy you be doctor. You be doctor. Leave this.
No,
thing
but
now.
scientifically, it's actually not healthy. Yeah.
It's okay. Moku leave the food. Now, I mean, I would still like to come to you because, apart from the music, you'll be our Ghanaian brother, so we need to hold you with a lot of care.
Yeah.
Now when you did Nigeria now, so apart from the fact, okay, you work on, you do like a promotional arrangement of this particular body of work. You get anybody when say, for this our Nigeria now, apart from TMA vibes, I don't work tired, I did that part, and they do things together. You get anybody when like say you they look right now, you say, but you come this country now, if you're not mind to just do one or two, collaboration with.
The thing is, every Nigerian is talented. Like every Nigerian artist.
Not give us all that political answer. Don't start to.
No. I'm being honest.
I want you reach there. We agree.
I'm being honest. I listen to a lot of Nigerians.
So Ghanaians, they're talented to leave that thing with the
yes. Ghanaians are also talented as well. But every Nigerian artist that I've heard is actually talented.
Okay.
Yeah, and I love them, and I would love to work with a lot of them.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot that I can't really mention two and leave the others. I would love to.
Now, let me quickly ask. On a more serious note, because with the Ghana and Naija love, they sound like a banter, like
like a battle.
And they be like say, okay, it's not too serious, but say something like that. Desha. Now, in the music, do you really feel that there's small beef, between Nigeria and Ghana?
To me,
yes,
I don't see it.
But
maybe the others will see something like that, because if I could actually make a body of work with TML Vibes, who is my Nigerian brother, I don't really see competition in it. I see collaborations.
So now, quickly, let's even look at the Ghanaian, music industry, for instance. We get some very strong, in fact, especially some, people because back then, if we call names, maybe we'll start with Sarkodie, we'll go, how do they call her now? Stoneboy,
Shatawale, Black Sherif.
When after they talk to you now, so people don't full ground. Am I right? Na Ghanaian, right?
Yeah.
Black Sherif.
Yeah.
We have King Promise.
Molly. We have Molly.
Molly, yeah. So what I like to know, on ourselves they go higher. But I don't know whether now we for the end they look and say like saying just with our eye. Is there like too much of rivalry within the Ghanaian music industry? Because before that happened, Shatawale don't bust out. How Shatawale be like don't bust out, don't provoke. He said Ghanaian not to do this, not to do that, not to do that. I mean, is it that they speak the truth, or you feel say sometimes Baba you over they do this thing? I mean, because I don't know whether I have in my memory, but I don't see where like say there was a particular award ceremony where like say end up in chaos, where like say based on say Stoneboy receive award once you do want. So there's this as with the rival for Nigeria reach. I never really see on an organized occasion where like say the rivalry enter that kind of level. So what do you really think about the Ghanaian music industry as per rivalry and beef amongst themselves?
Actually, everybody is entitled to his own opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, because if Shatawale will come and say something out there, it's actually something he wants to say.
Yes.
So he deserves to say that. And for me, I'm actually on my own lane.
Hey.
I don't even like it. Yes, I'm that free-spirited guy. If you step on my toes, if I want to fight you, I'll fight you. If I don't want to fight you, I will just move on.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So how you go actually describe your kind of sound, sir? Based on say, okay, you be Ghanaian, but what be your core sound like?
Like Afrobeat.
For real?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this next song what they see here, the title am Ololufe, and if I made a mistake, Ololufe na, Nigerian Yoruba word. And yes, last me self inside this particular song again. Are you speak Yoruba for this song?
The song I speak Yoruba na Maria.
Okay. So what is this Ololufe? This when I say Ololufe, they be like it's not a love song already. Is it a love song? Who they love for you? Now you, I mean, him.
Now both of us they love.
Now they love you. Now you love one guy. Tell us the truth.
This guy they lie.
Okay.
No, me I be street boy.
Sure. Now street boy just now. See, that's why if you say grow up for street or you not speak Ghanaian pidgin.
No.
Okay.
I'm a street boy.
Okay.
Just that street DB. You understand?
Okay.
Like street boy, we know they look like street boy.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. But this guy, na lover boy.
So you know the love.
I the love.
So I don't understand.
I the love, but the love I'm talking about is like about God. God loves everybody.
No, now we went on love God. We went on love God.
Yes.
We went on love God.
That kind of love.
You can't got the life for our head.
So which love are you talking about?
Love for woman.
Woman. I go
Ololufe.
marry.
This Ololufe woman sing, so not be woman that they love for.
No Martin, I go marry.
So that is when they love the girl for the song. You they tell her, say not love him for inside the same song.
No, I they help her make you love the girl.
TML vibes.
Yeah.
If you dey hear Ghanaian song, what will be some of the common words where you just feel say you must to hear inside Ghanaian song?
Ghanaian song.
Odo.
That's where I'm going.
And the only one that it in my mind.
Yeah, Odo.
So-
So, my mind safe.
Yeah.
So I dey come. For you, last mate, if you dey hear Nigerian songs, what will be that common Nigerian language or
Oh,
Nigerian
no.
word? Allah.
Baby they bear. Ololufe, like plenty. Yeah, kilo. Okay, kilo fresh no go.
Kilo fe.
Kilo fair.
So Olo. That Olo.
That I love you.
Yeah,
I love
all
you.
the
That I
time.
love you with
Money fair.
money fair. Yeah.
Fair means stuff like that. Yeah.
Nice one. We just learn Ghana and the Yoruba for inside. So that's for Ghana now. What will be the most? Just like most of the words where you use just now. So the Nigerian language, and not just Nigerian language, a particular tribe in Nigeria, which is the Yoruba language. Now, so all these Odo and Co and many other words what they hear for inside Ghanaian songs. Now, which particular tribe that they call that one?
I can.
Okay,
I can. Yeah.
Okay, that's like
The Fantis
most
and the
popular-
Ashantis, like
Yeah.
the most popular. Yeah.
Yeah. So which one you be?
I'm a Fanti.
Okay.
Yeah, but we use Odo.
Odo.
Yeah, as well.
Odo ewu.
Odo ewu.
Odo ewu.
Yeah.
All right,
Odo
now.
means my ride or die, like ride or die. Yeah.
I know say most concerned woman. I know say most concerned woman. I know. In any case, now this album don't drop and people don't chop and we don't hear two songs already. Ghana Your Love, we don't still hear Ololufe. The question like to ask now, on individual basis now. Now start with TML vibes. What is next for you, really?
Okay. Moving on before the end of the year, I'm coming with my album, more videos, more videos,
Okay,
more
now, so
collaborations.
Next, yeah, exactly. So now when you talk about more collaborations, especially like who and who, and I know they like to talk, but I would like to just know like who you okay, you don't want to talk, but who you for your mind you envision say you like put in next for inside this your collaborations when you talk about.
A lot of
Now they like to call name.
a lot.
Just call name, make it just be like now for you call name. So that when you have go say him talker for you.
You talk about yeah. But a lot, yeah.
Okay.
Definitely, I'm going to have my brother on my album.
Leave that with that not take us as a surprise anymore now.
Yeah, because
Yes.
and then a lot.
A lot.
But
okay.
if I say I won't mention one person name like this, so if the person here or later it happen, so the person gonna say this word on the P.
Yeah.
Nah, Shake.
Now you are talking. now you talk. Now gonna hide like say if you call the name now something will happen. What about you, last week?
Yeah, so I'm actually going to be dropping back-to-back singles and EP
okay.
or album.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for inside Ghana, then now you don't do any collaboration with any of your Ghanaian brother. Or sister?
So actually, I'm sure it's yet to be out pretty soon. Like it will be pretty soon out.
Okay.
Like maybe on the 10th or something. Sarkodie featuring Last Minute.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and
nice.
yeah, I have I have songs with a lot of people that I don't really talk about.
Like
I feel like
when
the song
don't come out officially.
It hasn't been out.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like the songs should be out.
Okay.
Yeah, so that I know that this is the song. I have it with you.
Yes. So now talking about your relationship with some of your Ghanaian stars. You get anybody like to be your real personal person there among the Ghanaian stars for inside Ghana there.
Now the only person where I feel they call, like I feel they talk to for Ghana, where I go feel like I'm talking to a brother. Then be And be a lot, but I go mention like 3.
Okay.
Kofi Kinata.
Okay.
Famille, Black Sheriff.
Black Sheriff.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes. Okay, Black Sheriff. Leave on. You can't want to have it. Don't say, leave on. Not answer that question. Don't pass. We don't forgive ourselves. You understand? So now, somebody like Last Beat. I mean, a lot of people don't they hear your voice. Don't they say, this guy go be fine Ghanaian guy. You're truly fine. So I would like make you put a face, to this your name and everything.
Name.
So if they want to see you on top of your different social media platforms, how will be your social media platforms from Instagram to TikTok to where them again now. All these social media platforms. Actually.
Yeah, so actually, Twitter or X is Last Minute Official.
Okay.
But apart from Twitter, all of the socials are Last Minute Official 1.
Okay.
Yeah, apart from Twitter.
Every other thing. So that means for TikTok, they'll see you as Last Minute Official
1.
For Instagram, Last Minute Official 1.
Yeah.
Where again, like a thread now, if you did.
Last Minute Official 1. Yeah, everywhere.
Again, Snapchat.
Yeah.
You did Facebook.
Snapchat. They took my account just like Twitter. So it was Charger Boy 1.
Charger Boy. My charger.
If you hear anybody say charge for song, that means Last Minute.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
So how long you don't actually do music, sir?
I started music like 10, 11, 12 years ago, but professionally like 4, 5, 6 years.
4, 5, 6 years. Mm-hmm. Nice one. So, how often would they see you for Nigeria like this now, sir?
Almost every week or every 2 weeks.
You say you don't call Nigeria like 13 times, 13, 14 times. Now don't reach.
It pass almost every week or every 2 weeks. Yes.
TML vibes. You get girlfriend.
Me.
That should be me. It'll be your name be down. When I hear that now the shock. You get girlfriend.
I did.
You get.
I did.
Which one be you? You get? I be you not get.
I did.
Now you get them. I be you not get them.
I did.
And that's what you do. Come me say I did. Now all of us did here.
I get.
For real, serious one. I be now your music be your girlfriend. Because I know I don't help man. This time say last minute. You yourself you get.
No. I'm in love with music for now. So
line not go do you strong thing.
No, I mean for now.
For now,
yes.
You won't focus on the music.
Music for now. Yeah.
I hear you. All right, I don't lie to you. Now since 4-ish, now we'll not deal with this matter, and of course we talk many things. Now, before we go, I would like make we look at this particular jam. Nana magic 12 na self as usual. Now they for inside this particular jam. What will be the magic for inside this particular song?
Na magic be the magic for this particular song.
So who produced all these songs? All the songs for this EP?
Different producers.
Or different producers.
Yeah, everybody just come.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
magic.
Yeah.
African magic. Ghana magic.
Magic is magic.
Nigeria magic.
That's a magic.
The song is magic is magic. Like
So
magic is magic. Yes. It would be like abracadabra. Then it happens.
This last me self, which he head where be like magic self. You never do magician work before. He go feed you, they go believe you die.
I swear. But I feel like the thing is, maybe not a magician, but a prophet. I can just make it happen.
I don't go worse pass.
A Rasta prophet.
But on a more serious note, this is your hair. I mean, how it be? Because why they look at so that tickle.
Yeah, I started.
How long did they do this hair like this?
Like 6, 7 years.
Are you serious? Now you think like this?
Yeah.
You see my hair now. If not be say hair fame me, I'm supposed to get this your kind of hair. But see me now, I don't feel do this your kind of hair. So on a more serious note, now the album, the EP is out. Many songs inside. Now don't drop any video for any of these songs.
There are plans for it.
Plans.
Yeah,
no video don't they drop yet.
And I think Olivia has a video.
Yeah.
Olivia, the only song that has a video for now.
Okay.
It's Olivia.
Okay. Now we don't hear about your social media, different platforms. Then what about you, TML?
On all social,
TML vibes _vibes. Oh, wow. These boys had a fear now. Now they try. All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, now you want a match break on top of this arrangement, but of course, I want to say thank you so much to TML Vibes and Last Meet as they carry the magic enter inside studio. Of course, they can't talk about their body of work when they collab together and they call them sweet songs for you. We don't hear 2 songs already, and true, these songs they're actually sweet, and I can just imagine what magic it will sound like. if you be seen, I go sweet pass. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, I don't like here we want a match break. I know that I get any. I mean, last words, especially last.
Yeah,
week.
Thank you so much for streaming the songs, the EP. Thank you so much, and I'm a Ghanaian artist.
We know.
Yeah, trying to find my way. So kindly support Last Mid and TML.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for really appreciate. Keep supporting.
Because this small English, where you say Last Mid speak now, call the affect you. You say because they speak English.
Okay, I don't want to say Naija.
Ladies and gentlemen, when I don't worry, when I enjoy magic, TML vibes and Last Mid, and a good evening.